Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Esther Kodo, and here in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful flyer design with Canva. So let's delve right into it. Of course, the first thing is to get started with a new canvas, like a new workspace, right? I'm literally just going to click on this plus icon to add a new page. But again, if you are just wondering how to create your own page, all you've got to do, I'm literally just going to click on the hamburger menu here and head over to the home page, and I will go ahead to click on this plus icon at the bottom center of my screen. It may look different if you're using a PC, but it's still the same process. So here you're going to click on custom size, and after that I usually use a dimension of 3200 by 3200, and then you click on create new design. So I use this dimension so I get a high quality for my design and it looks really good. So this way you can get started with your design. For me, I'm going to head straight back to the previous video, right? The previous canvas, right, so that I can make use of what I have here before. So the first thing I'm going to do, right, is to create my background. So to have your background here, initially you'd have a blank space. All you need to do is to tap on the background, then you're going to see color, right? You're going to see color, select the color, and then you're using this color code. Let me see, F0E8 D8. This is the color code. You can just type it in here and you would get this. I want to add some texture to it, right? So I'm going to head over to elements, right? Under my element here, I'm going to search for texture. Okay, I think let's try out the noise texture, although I'm not sure if that was what I used, but all right, we can work with this. Okay, this gives it a kind of texture. I'm going to try it out and see if it gives us the result. I'm reducing the transparency, and yeah, awesome. So I have this and this works fantastic. So I'm going to create a new page. So for me to be able to enable this, what I did, I'll click on this three dots at the top. I hope you saw what I did here, the three dots here. So after doing that, I will simply go to settings. So this is my settings, and after doing this I will select show page thumbnail. If I want to see those little pages, the pages coming up in this way. And you also notice that I have a margin, right? There's this dotted square line here, which is a margin. Still the same process. Click on three dots, go to settings and select show margins. So that's just a little tip for someone that may need it, right? Moving on, I'll tap on this other background. Remember, we need two pages. What I want to create now is this where is it now, this rectangle kind of stuff, texture in a way. So I'm literally just going to come over here, select the color, and I'll choose this color. If I tap on this again, I think I want to make it a little darker this time. So the color code for this is CE7F11. CE7F11. And next I would go to my uploads, and then I'm going to bring in this gold ribbon, right? And scrolling down, and yeah, I've got it. So here it is. All I need to do now is to resize it to ensure that it fits, right? And then I like to reduce the transparency, so I'll move the slider and tap on transparency and then reduce it slightly. I think 60 is okay. And then the next thing I'll do is to click on the duplicate icon here, this icon, this little guy here, to create another copy of this element. So once I tap on it, I can easily just move it up, right? And having done this, I'm going to I think I should move this down and this as well. So the next thing to do is for me to download this. I'm going to click on the download button here. Once I select that, I'm simply going to select download, right? Having done this, I will click on these three dots, okay, sorry, the drop down arrow, and select page 3. So I'm simply going to deselect the other pages, right, and select just page 3. Reason because this design I want to download is on page 3, and once that is done, I'll select done, okay, and download. So once you've downloaded that, you'd find that in your gallery, right? The next thing to just do is to go to your upload icon here, select upload, and then come over here to upload files, right? So when you click on upload files, select device, and next you go to files. So here is where you would find every resource that you need, the resources you need, and where you can download them and bring them up to Canva. So I just need to select the image. For some reason it's loading. Okay, so just follow that step to bring up that particular element. So I have that already. The next thing for me to do is to go to elements, right? If I check my uploads here, if I move over to my uploads, you're going to see that this is the one I used before, so we're just going to use that. So I'm going to head over here to elements, and I would search for rectangle frame. All right, here, so I'm going to type in rectangle frame and select one of the rectangles. I'll click on see all. So here I'm going to select see all. I need a frame. I think I've seen the one I used, but just to confirm, let me check down. Alright, so I think I can see the one I used here. So this is the rectangle frame that I'm pretty sure I used. Yes, and I'm bringing it over here, increasing the size. Then I would click on replace to replace it with that image, right? So this is the image. I'm simply just going to tap on it. Once I tap on it, it automatically replaces that frame with the image. And with that done, I'm going to go to effects, and I'll head over here to effects. So I tapped on this particular icon, effects, and then I would select blur. So this is the blur icon, the blur tool rather. So once I select blur, I'm also going to select whole image. So I want to blur the entire image a little, not too much. So 20 is good, or 19, that's okay. And with that done, the next thing to work on now is my image. I can either bring in my image or my text. So let's cancel this, and then I'll go to my uploads, and I'm simply going to upload the image that I want to use. So we've got this. Alright, I think we're good. The next thing is I'm going to bring up the logo. So this is the logo. My